Okay, final video for the Eco Amp. We're just going to look at creating the tool paths. So for this, we need to open up Fusion 360. Essentially, you've split your model and you've laid it out on the CNC bed. The first thing we're going to do is a move. So we're going to select the move tool up here in the top corner. The bodies we want to move are this one and this one. So we're going to select both. And then essentially we're just going to drag them out. And what we want to do is drag them. We'll see this negative or this X distance here change. And we want to make sure that we drag them out 50 millimeters from the edge. That allows us to expose our bolt down holes. Clicking OK. We've now got our model in position. Our next step will be to change to the manufacturing model. Once we get into the manufacturing model, we'll create a setup. So new setup. And now once we've got our setup, we're essentially going to select the model in which we want to CNC. So we're selecting our model. Our box point will be this bottom corner. Now you can see that our X, Y, and Z axes is the wrong way around. So we're just going to go select Z axis and X axis. When I do this, you can see that my Z axis select is highlighted. So I'm just going to select my Z axis, which is this line here. And then my orientation is now correct, X, Y, and Z. But my box point needs to be moved down to this bottom corner. Okay. I move across to the next tab, which is my stock. I want to change this drop down arrow here to add stock to all sides. And essentially we don't want to put any stock on the X axis, but we want to put an extra 50 mil on our Y axis, both on the positive Y and the negative Y. So just using the negative Y axis, we're just going to add in 50. That's going to bring it out to the edge of our machine. And the same on our positive Y. You can now see that we've got an area there that we can bolt down to the CNC bed. Also tells us that our timber that we need needs to be 90 millimeters wide, 400 millimeters long, and 25 millimeters thick. Pressing OK, that's our setup.